Hello and welcome. This is Hena Tarati and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. Multiple tornadoes were confirmed on the ground in the parts of Alabama in America on Wednesday. Around 21 tornadoes touched down across the South of America, with most of them in the state of Alabama. This included a large and extremely dangerous tornado near the Shelton State Community College outside Tuscaloosa. Other states affected by these intense tornadoes were Louisiana, Mississippi, and Arkansas before spreading towards eastward. Nearly 16 million people in the southeast saw powerful storms, and a region of about 3 million stretching from southeastern Arkansas, northeastern Louisiana, across Mississippi and Alabama are at high risk for the possibility of intense tornadoes that travel for miles. The winds reached hurricane strength and hail the size of baseballs. Southern states experienced large and dangerous tornado outbreak as climate patterns shift. The month of March is known for its extremely volatile weather as warm spring conditions battle to replace the cold of winter. A dangerous severe weather outbreak slammed the South of America on Wednesday, unleashing tornadoes, damaging winds, hail, and flooding rains. The threat is predicted to shift to the southeast and southern mid-Atlantic on Thursday. Ahead of the storm on Wednesday, the National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center declared a very rare level 5 out of 5 high risk of severe thunderstorms, highlighting the exceptional intensity and widespread nature of the anticipated outbreak. It was the first time since 2012 that the high risk of severe weather has been declared during the March by the Storm Prediction Center. The spring severe weather season has started with a bang. That is because a frightening La Nina event present in the tropical Pacific Ocean is typically associated with more extreme wavy jet stream and thus highlighted the tornado threat. The key attributes of this storm is both its pull of cold air aloft and the fact that it is spinning like a top. The cold air aloft allows for the warm air at the surface to rise faster, creating bigger thunderstorms. The spinning motion of the storm helps to impact spinning motion to the individual thunderstorms and any tornadoes they may spawn. These tornadoes knock down the trees, toppled power lines, and damaged homes in the Alabama communities of Burnsville and Mountville, where power was out and trees blocked a main highway. Some roofs and stuff got taken off from the houses and a boat was found wrapped around the tree following severe storms in the center Alabama. Additional damage was reported in Louisiana, Tennessee, and Mississippi, and high winds blew signboards and trees in the northeast Texas. The threats included numerous tornadoes with several intense and long track, as well as scattered damaging winds that could reach hurricane force strength, and the areas of Oklahoma and Missouri will also be at the risk of severe storms. More than a dozen Alabama schools cancelled their classes, planned online sessions, or announced early dismissals because of the threat. Communities across the South were also urging residents to know where their closest tornado shelters were. Power outages have climbed to over 24,000 in Alabama, according to the Alabama Power. The power outages are under 9,000 in other states that have been affected by severe weather on Wednesday and Wednesday night. The threat of severe weather will persist on Thursday as the system shifts into Georgia and Carolinas, where once again the tornadoes, damaging winds, hail, and lightning will all be likely. People living in any of these risk regions are advised to pay close attention to local warnings. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.